Hello friends, today's topic markets up tomorrow. Will it cross 24,000? I am Dr. Bharath Chandra. Purpose of the video is financial education of society. As per experts, Indian stock market is likely to have a positive start tomorrow due to strong performance and victory of the BJP-led Mahayuti alliance in Maharashtra Assembly elections. The decisive mandate will not only ensure continuity in economic policies but also instill greater investor confidence. The Nifty is expected to move closer to reclaiming the 24,000 mark due to the positive sentiment. On Friday, Nifty already rallied by 2.4% to 23,907. So, some recovery has started already. Analysts expect Nifty could rise to close to 24,400 to 24,500 levels in a few days. Although the BJP-led Mahayuti alliance was expected to win, the scale of the victory was unexpected. It has won 234 out of the total 288 seats, hence it won around 81% of the seats. Who will become the chief minister is yet to be announced. However, vote-taking ceremony is scheduled for November 26. The election victory indicates a continuity in governance, which is an important factor for investor sentiment. The NDA did not perform well in the Jharkhand elections. However, since Maharashtra is very important in terms of politics and economics, the market reaction will be more for Maharashtra election victory. The BJP also showed its strength in Uttar Pradesh by polls winning 7 out of 9 seats. So this will also have a positive impact on stock markets. Although BJP lost all 3 seats in Karnataka by polls, it is not very important since anyway Congress is in power at present. Apart from the reaction to the election results, the following are some of the factors which will influence our markets this week. Number 1, FII selling. Whenever FIIs pause or stop selling, our markets are likely to stabilize. As of now, they have been selling continuously since the beginning of October. We need to see what FIIs do this week in Indian markets. 2. US GDP growth data. The next week, US GDP growth data will be announced on 27 November. It will have a significant impact on global stock markets since if its growth is better than expected, then it will be a positive sign for markets. Otherwise, it will be a reason for further correction in global markets. Overall, market is expecting to trade in the range of 23,000 to 25,000 for some months. Although the price correction is not too much as of now, the time correction could happen for some more months. Consolidation is good since it reduces the unnecessary high valuations in many stocks and hence brings stocks to more reasonable valuations. The market keeps rising without major reason, then there is always a high probability of a bigger correction. So this correction is very welcome, especially for long-term investors. It may be nice to see small uptrend before further time or price correction. Let us see what happens in the coming few months. End of the video, here is the question. What do you prefer in the coming months? A. Rally. B. Time correction. C. Price correction. If you are not the member of this channel, this is the time to subscribe, press the bell icon, send the video to all your friends. The video is good, press the like button. Thank you for watching. Bye bye and all the best.